commands are required to convert a normal distribution random variable to the standard normal distribution random variable. You can use the formula x equals z equals x minus mean by standard deviation. In this formula is the z-score, which represents how many standard deviation an observation is from the mean. A positive z-score means the value is greater than the mean. A negative z-score means the value is less than the mean. A z-score of 0 means the value is equal to the mean. You can use the z-score. 2. Find the probability that x is less than x. Find the probability that z is less than or equal at z value. Find the percentile of a value. For example, if the mean of a final exam is 68.55 with a standard deviation of 15.45 and a student scores 80%, their z-score will be 0.74. So, ang gamiton pa ko na formula ining x equal mean. So, iniyan. So, ang kuan is ang x naan is 80%. Tapos ining mean is 68.55. So i-divide niyaan sa ang result ni ang 80 minus 68.75, ang result ni is i-divide sa standard deviation. So ang ma-result ni pag ma-total ini is minus ini, ang ma-result is ang result ni i-divide sa 1545. So pag human sini equals dayon, so ang ning ma-result ang z-score naan is 0.74. So amarito.
So this is the z-table standard normal probabilities. Next example is the scores of a group of students in a standardized test are normally distributed with a mean of 60 and a standard deviation of 8. Answer the following. If there were 250 students who took the test, about how many students score higher than 64? So walang pumuntahan na diri. Using the formula, z is equal x minus over standard deviation. So after x 64, then ang mean is 60, so standard deviation is 8, minus na nag-iabon sila din. Form divided 0.5. Ang area ng 0.5 is 1915. Then ang 1915 i-add sa 1 i-add sa 1.5 mo ng 0.3085. So mo nang ang area.